Sinus headache pain, triggers, diagnosis, and solutions. The symptoms of sinus headaches. This video shares how sinus headache pain can occur when the nasal passages become inflamed and irritated, resulting in a buildup of pressure and congestion. It also covers other symptoms, including the triggers, the diagnosis, and the solutions to sinus headaches. Experiencing a sinus headache can be uncomfortable and painful due to the buildup of pressure. Sinus headaches can be chronic and last an extended period, or acute and last less than 2 weeks. There tends to be 4 key aspects of sinus headaches, including numerous ways on how to deal with them. Number 1. The symptoms. The signs and symptoms of sinus headaches are usually 1. The pressure and pain felt in the forehead region, above the nose, and between and behind the eyes. 2. These areas may also feel painful to the touch. 3. Other symptoms are nasal stuffiness, fatigue, sore throat, and cough, along with copious nasal discharge. 4. Whilst throbbing facial pain, bad breath, blocked nose, headaches and fever are what most people claim to be their most common symptoms. 5. Quite often the pain also seems to worsen with actions such as lying down or bending over, as this puts even more pressure on the affected nerves. Number 2. The triggers. As chronic inflammation in the body at a cellular level and gut level is at the root cause of sinus headaches, typical triggers to such headaches include 1. Seasonal allergies such as pollen, a dental infection, colds and flu, and asthma. 2. Smoking and drinking. 3. Rapid atmospheric pressure changes. 4. Some may experience a sinus headache by being exposed to environmental pollution or even swimming in polluted water. It's important to take steps to reduce the root cause, and that begins with your diet. If you're finding this video interesting and helpful, please feel free to give a thumbs up, and to leave a comment below the video. And if you're interested in finding out more about the secrets of headaches, please subscribe, and kindly click the grey bell icon to be notified of future videos being uploaded to the Natural Health Guys channel. Number 3. The diagnosis. There are a number of points to carefully consider, as diagnosis can easily become misdiagnosis. 1. It's easy to misdiagnose your symptoms as being wholly related to sinus headaches, as virtually all types of headaches have similar symptoms of varying pain, intensity and duration. 2. People thinking they're suffering from a sinus headache may actually be dealing with a migraine or tension headache. 3. It's best to consult with your health practitioner to determine exactly what triggers your headache. 4. Self-diagnosing and treating the wrong type of headache will prevent you from finding the most effective and speedy relief to the symptoms. 5. If headaches are severe or protracted, they may be a symptom of something else that requires attention. Number 4. The solutions. Check out the following simple solutions to implement that could help suppress the symptoms and bring relief in the short term. 1. Limit your use of decongestant nasal sprays and tablets, as continued use may lead to a rebound effect of inflammation and congestion. 2. If you're going to go with a nasal spray, use a saline solution. 3. Try not to use the drugs more than 6 times in a 24-hour period. 4. Try natural remedies, such as inhaling steam from a pot of boiled water, as there are no negative side effects to these types of treatments. 5. Try placing a humidifier or vaporizer in your home. These natural solutions may help you find the relief you need from painful sinus headaches, as they work on helping expel the congestion which causes the nerve pain. Summary and conclusion. Headaches are one of those annoying problems where people look for a magic pill that can take away the discomfort in a heartbeat. And trying to cope with sinus headaches is no exception. As mentioned earlier, the underlying root cause of chronic inflammation in your body, at both a cellular health level and gut level, as caused by processed and ultra-processed foods in your daily diet, needs to be dealt with quickly. Unfortunately, the medical profession are slow to acknowledge this, and continue to follow a pharmaceutical-based solution that is shown, time and again, to not cure anything, whilst creating additional health-related problems in many cases. We hope you found this video, Sinus Headache Pain, Triggers, Diagnosis, and Solutions, helpful and of interest, so please feel free to share with people you think will also find this video worth watching. And don't forget to leave a comment or ask a question in the comments section below this video. To get more videos like this one, become an exclusive subscriber of this channel by clicking on the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of this video. And click the grey bell icon to get notified of when the next video is uploaded. If you'd like more information about the secrets of headaches, check out the other videos in this series by clicking on the end screen coming up. And finally, many thanks for watching.